Now we're trying to actually head to the next artery, or say arteries, which will be discussing their clinical anatomy. And this is the arcuate artery. Of course, the arcuate artery becomes the dorsal metatarsal artery and becomes the dorsal digital artery. So let's we're talking about arcuate artery becoming the dorsal metatarsal artery, and also what down to what the dorsal digital arteries. All right. So that's like the last blood supply along what the lower limb. So first we see that arcuate artery is the branch of the dorsalis pedis artery, runs laterally across the base of the metatarsals. Its clinical importance is actually very important in pulse assessment, so in palpating the dorsalis pedis. Okay, so traumatic relevance, so all those traumas, fractures could actually compromise the blood flow there. So it's also very important in surgeries like what the dorsalis pedis flap, and it also connects with other blood vessels there to be able to give the collateral circulation. So on the next, the dorsal metatarsal arteries, now that's going down. All right, it's important in what digital perfusion gives blood to the arteries. It could be affected by peripheral artery disease. It's important in surgeries, and it also connects with other blood vessels so that there's like a continuous blood supply around that region. So dorsal digital arteries, now this is it, dorsal digital artery. So it's a terminal branch of the dorsal metatarsal arteries. We supply the toes. So clinical importance is if the blood supply there is blocked, it will lead to ulcers and gangrene. It's also very essential in all those toe amputations and microsurgical reconstructions. So it could also be affected by trauma. All of that. Okay. So for those three last arteries in the lower limb, this is what we have for their clinical anatomy.